All right, the thing to remember throughout the entire process is general to specific. Now, these are the colors that I'm going to use, and this is how I'm going to start the painting. Very watery and very light. I'm going to use these colors to basically generalize the colors of the entire painting. And I'm going to do it with a lot of water. So I'm going to show you on the screen actually to exaggerate how much water I'm using and just start blotching colors in generally. And I don't want to do too much talking on this video, but check out these colors: the Mars yellow, the cat red, ultramarine, and the green, and the alizarin crimson, and the Titan buff, which is one of my favorite whites to use. And I'm just going to block these colors in. Very, very watery. And after I finish this very watery style of blocking in the start, I'm going to go back with the Mars yellow and Titan buff, and I'm going to block in my first layer of a darker version of the watery generalization. So I'm going to keep repeating general to specific. So right now, I'm getting really watery and I'm coloring. I'm about to do the entire painting just with certain colors, but really watery. So it's going to look like a watercolor. And then I'm going to go back and do one layer that's not so watery just to maintain light. And I'm going to get to that later, just to maintain the main area that I want the painting to be lit from.